Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about the clone versus copy to method in C#.NET. So till this code, this is the example of copy to method, and here this is the example of clone method. So the first difference, copy to method that required source, and here target and index, so it's mandatory. But here clone method, it's not required. Clone only return new array. So here you can see this is the source str1, so it's coming source, and here copy 2, so copying this all str1 value in the target st2. So st2 is the already created array, so it's copying. And here you can give any kind of indexing values, so it must be integer. But if you are using a clone method, so here this is the source here st1, so it's copying this value and storing a new array in st2. Okay, so here clone copy to method has two parameter. Clone does not have any parameter. The first difference, copy to require index, so index must be there. If I remove, okay, so here I'm getting the message copies the content array into memory, so index must be there, so that here the error that can be out. So let's give 1, and here clone method does not require any index. So the two important differences. If interviewer asks this question, what exactly difference between clone versus copy, you should tell these two. And here if you give a copy to str2, so str2 is the target array, and here this start doing the copy from one index, so this is the 0 index and 1. So here you can see on one index is start doing, so st2 the value that exactly come. So I'm going to copy and paste here. So on it's start doing the indexing on 1, so 0 index that is stored 1, and hereafter one index that is stored this value, and like this that continue. Since I have given the index 10, so rest place that is stored null, so null this go till 9. So total here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or till let's include 3 more. So this happening with copy 2. If you give here index 2, so it start doing the copy from the 2 index. So 0 index that is store null, 1 index so that is store null, and it's start doing the copy from 2 index. So here it's copying the source from the 2 index. So this happening with copy 2. But if you are using a clone method, so st1 value that doing the cloning, okay, you don't need to specify this all, so it directly create a new array, the name called st2, and it start copying the values. So here not require any null, so it's start doing the copy from 0 index. So this is the third important difference. Okay, so you should know this all point about copy to and clone method. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.